Mote Nzolampangi, Malfo Felicien over here from DITC, a DIA co-op in partnership with WADA Network of Hub, trying to bring Web3 technology in Cameroon and then in Africa. So today we're going to talk about our second module, which is really about providing more definitions to terms related to the concept of distributed ledger technology. We want to make sure that we grasp, important concept before we move forward. The first term or concept we're going to talk about naturally is distributed ledger technology. Then we're going to move on discussing what a shared ledger is and how it's used in distributed ledger technologies. And finally, we're going to talk about the concept of a blockchain. What is a distributed ledger technology? If you take a look at the picture we have on the left, you can easily identify specific components. First of all, we have uh, icons of computers, accompanied with something that looks like a ledger or a book with some accounting line written within it. And we have multiple of those with arrows going back and from to other computers. And the concept here of a distributed ledger is really about, all the infrastructure together with protocols that allow simultaneous access to uh, you know, both writing and validating records on a shared ledger. So that's really all distributed ledger technologies is about. So users that are part of this network of computer in this case uh, needs to, as I mentioned, have a mechanism to validate, uh, all the exchanges, aka transactions that are performed within the network. Data in this kind of system or network system tends to be more reliable and consistent, given that each node, and by node I mean entity in the system, a person, in case of people, a people network, data in this node is shared, and every single node in the network has its own copy of the data.